In this video, I'll talk about how to grow a brand new YouTube channel from 0 to 1000 subscribers in 30 days. Now, most YouTubers say you need to spend 1 to 2 years making videos for you to reach 1000 subscribers. But there's a new way which made my 2 channels get 1000 subscribers in a few months. And they all followed a step-by-step strategy that I'm about to share with you so that you can apply it to your channel and have your next video look like this. Because when you know how to make videos go viral, you'll be able to reach 1000 subscribers in the next 30 days without any experience or any money to invest. Step number 1. The mistake that most YouTubers make is that they believe that posting more content and consistently is the only strategy that is going to grow their channel. Therefore, they spend a lot of time creating content, posting them, thinking that one day the algorithm will be on their side and the channel will blow up. But one thing you should understand as a small creator is that the number of views on your videos are mostly below 1000, which is likely that it's going to take you 50 videos or 2 years of posting content for you to reach 1000 subscribers. And the best way that you can reach 1000 subscribers faster on your channel is only to get 30,000 views on your next video. Therefore, step number 1 is to increase the number of views that you are going to be getting in the next uploads that you are going to make. This is because the more views you are going to get, the more subscribers you are likely to get, and the more watch hours you are going to have on your channel. Therefore, you have increased the likelihood of you going to be monetized in the next 30 days. But then how do you increase the number of views on your channel? It's simply by choosing the right topic that you are going to make on your next video. Because most YouTubers don't know how to choose the right topic that is going to get a lot of views. Therefore, let me share with you step number 2 that is going to help you to choose the right topic for you to get a lot of views on your next upload on your videos. Now, the common mistake that most YouTubers make is that they choose a random topic and they make content randomly, thinking that one day that random video, that random topic without any strategy is going to blow up. And they spend a lot of time, 2 years, just creating content and thinking that no, the algorithm is not on their favor. But there's this one technique that I'm about to share with you that is going to change the way you make content. And when you use it rightly, it's going to get a lot of views on your channel, because this topic, no one can compete with you and no one can challenge you, because you are the only one who is going to win in this niche and win in your topic that you are going to make. So step number 2 is simply to use your unfair advantage, simply because your unfair advantage is something that no one can replicate or duplicate about you. It's your story, it's your experience, it's how unique you are and the things that you have done in your life. But the question is, how do you know your unfair advantage? So for you to know unfair advantage, you need to answer these 3 questions. Number 1 is, what have you learned in the last 5 years? Number 2 is, what is something that you are surprised other people find hard to do? Number 3 is, what help do people come to ask from you? By answering these 3 questions, you find something that is common about you. And when you know that thing that is common about you, you're going to position yourself in a way that you become the expert or someone who can guide others to help. And that topic is the one that you are going to focus on to get a lot of views in the next upload. But then the mistake that you need to avoid after finding a good topic for your next video is rushing make that video without any strategy. Therefore, let me share with you the strategy that you need to use in your video so that you increase the chances of it going viral, of it getting more views on your next upload. Now, this is what separates the video that succeed from those that fail on YouTube, because most people just post content and they think they'll win against the channels that spend a lot of money, a lot of time strategizing their content. So I'm going to share with you this strategy that is going to help you to find a way that is increasing chances for you to blow up on your next upload. And step number 3 is to find proven video concepts. This is because when something is working or has worked already, it has more chances for it to work. So the first thing that you need to do is go to research on YouTube and see about that topic that you choose, if there's something related to your content that you're going to make. And the main thing that you should focus on is to see if that video is an outlier. An outlier is a video that has more views than subscribers. Now, at the video that you found, look at the patterns in the title and the thumbnail that are making that video go viral. Therefore, from that video, you are going to choose the patterns or some of the elements that you are going to add to your video when making it, which is in your title and the thumbnail for it to go viral. Let us look at this example that Mr. Beast used on this video to make from the same concept that I'm teaching you right now, to make a video out of it and for it to go viral on his channel. So one thing that you should avoid doing is copying the title and the thumbnail exactly the way it is. And the best thing that you can do is to add some elements that are your personal elements, your personal style to it that will make it different from your experience, from your topic that you've chosen. And this is going to increase the likelihood for you to blow up and get a lot of views on your next video. But then how do you craft a video that keep people from watching from the first to the last on YouTube? And the most challenge that most people face is that they see their viewers dropping off from their video, which is leading them to have less watch time on their channel. So let me share with you step number 4 that is going to help you to craft a video that is going to increase your watch time. Now, the common mistake that most YouTubers make when starting their video is that they do this. Hello guys, welcome to my channel, what. And they say a lot of things and they ask people to subscribe to the channel. But one thing that you should know is that people are not interested in you when you're just a beginner. Number 2 is that they won't subscribe because you haven't given them the reason to subscribe to your channel. So that is a common mistake that you should avoid when starting your videos. But then if you want to improve on how you start your videos, let me tell you how to do it now. Then what you want to do in your video is to make people feel as though they have made the right choice in choosing to watch your video. So when they feel that they've made the right choice, it will be easier for them to stick around and watch the video from the first to the last. So let me share with you a systematic process that you are going to use in your video so that you increase the chances of people watching your video from the first to the last. So step number 4 is to use a hook formula. This hook formula is going to help you to keep people watching your videos. So step number 1 is to confirm expectations. This is when you are going to reassure your viewers that the video they saw on the title and the thumbnail is the one that they're going to watch, or are the same things that you're going to give them out of it. So the simplest way you can do them is to repeat the title that you put and the words that you put in your thumbnail. So step number 2 is to use an open loop. This is where you pose an explicit statement or maybe question that makes your viewers to be curious, to want to know the answer or to want to know the information that you're about to share with them. Step number 3 is to set expectations. At this point, you need to tell your viewers why they should watch the video and the benefits or maybe the negative consequences of not watching your video. When they know why they watch the video, it's easier for them to stick around. And the last part, that is when you start now delivering the value that you made about your video. Teach them the things that you promise you're going to teach them from step 1 to the steps, or maybe just make a list about the things that you want to teach them. But then you need to get people to watch the other videos of the channel, simply because when they watch more of your content, the algorithm knows that people like your channel. And once that information is given to the algorithm will be recommending more of your videos to other viewers. Then you'll be getting more views, you'll be getting more watch time and subscribers. Therefore, let me share with you step number 5 that is going to help you to get your viewers to watch more of your content on your channel. Now, the mistake that most YouTubers make is that they finish their videos in the wrong way, which decreases their chances of people watching the other videos. They finish the video, say, thank you for watching this video, what, and they say the things that they want to say. Then people will leave the video without watching more of their content. But this is the strategic way that you are going to use, which is the CTA or call to action in your next video, that is going to take people from watching one video to the other videos on your channel. This is where you ask them to watch that other video that you made previously, linking the content that you are just making, the video that you're just making, to the other video that you already made, and telling them why watching that video will be beneficial to them. But then the common challenge that most small YouTubers have is that they do not know how to make money with less than 1,000 subscribers on their channel. And you can do that and learn that the easiest way that I've learned, and that has helped me to change the way I make content and make money online. So if you want to learn more about that, I encourage you to watch this video that is going to teach you the systematic process of making money online or on your channel. I say thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps. See you in the next one.